In this video I will show you why it's important to have a dashcam installed in your car, truck or SUV. In my hands I have the MANGOAL Dashcam. When driving, a dashcam is a must. The MANGOAL is super reliable and I'll show you why. This camera is for the Ford F150 from 2013 through 2017, but in the link below you'll find cameras for almost every vehicle. Let me do a quick unboxing. You can find the link to this camera in the description below. The camera comes with all the hardware needed for the installation and even comes with a hardwire kit, because all MANGOAL products can draw power from the OBD or fuse box. The most ideal installation is through the rear view mirror power plug, but if it's not available on your car, then use the OBD or fuse box power source. Before you install anything, I suggest you download the Skycamm app. It's totally free and no subscription is required. Now go to the installation tutorials and you'll find tutorials for almost every vehicle. For this option, go to the OBD tutorial, which is the installation I will be doing today in this video. For the installation, you can start from the windshield down to the power source, or from the power source up to the dashcam, and then hide any excess wiring inside the ceiling or under the dashboard. There are 3 wire connectors and one of them is for a GPS, which is an optional product which you can add it to your dashcam if you want. Now here I am showing you the easiest connection, which is drawing power from the OBD, and I started from the OBD up to the dashcam, and any excess wiring I will be hiding that under the dashboard. Once I plugged in the dashcam, I ran the wire through the ceiling and body panels, and look at how easy it is to hide the cable using my fingers only and using the wiring tool for the hardest spots only. And also look at how easy it is to run the wire through the frame seals, and this doesn't affect the function of the seal in any way. This is a very easy installation, so you can do this by yourself. And any excess wiring, just hide that under the dashboard using the cable ties provided inside the kit. Now this is the rear camera and it goes in the back window. And the really cool feature that is very useful is that, as you can see, this wire is very long to fit those large vehicles. But for this truck I don't need this extra cable. So this feature lets you remove the excess wire so you can install the rear camera in the windshield instead. And I found that to be really convenient, as I didn't have to deal with that annoying long cable. This camera fits your car like an original part, and it's easy to install. The box also includes a 125GB SD card for your dashcam, and that's about 1 to 2 weeks of recording. The second installation option is using this hardwire kit that plugs into the in-cab fuse box. Now that the installation procedure is done, download the Skycamm app. It's totally free and no subscription is required, and start configuring the dashcam through the app. Just connect the app to the camera's Wi-Fi, type in the password, and you're set. Once the camera is connected, you'll be able to see the camera in real time and also access the settings and camera configurations according to your preferences. So let me give you a brief example. In the camera configurations, you'll be able to adjust the image resolution, the camera recording resolution 4K or Full HD, the loop recording in minutes. I suggest you do 1 minute loop recording. And also, let me see what else. The collision sensing sensitivity, I always put this on medium, as well as the time-lapse parking mode, which this is a very useful feature, and I'll show you why in a minute. In the app, you will be able to replay clips and view clips or images that you have saved, as well as download those clips into your phone. And the box comes with a user's manual for more reference. The MANGOAL camera offers 4K recording for the front camera and 1080p recording for the rear camera, so you can capture clear crystal details at every moment. The camera also records license plates very clearly. If you watch this video in 4K or 1080p, pause the video and you'll be able to read this license plate clearly. Just watch at full screen and zoom in if you have to. And here's the rear camera at 1080p, which is pretty decent. And this is the time-lapse mode, which this is the best feature because it lets your camera keep recording even when the car is off, and it records in 15-minute intervals, but in the app you can review the clips at normal speeds, and it can record for up to 48 hours after the engine has been turned off. So don't wait any longer, get this 4K camera now. You can find the link to the product in the description below.